It's rolling?
No, we're not recording. Is this just what time it is?
Set up a dash cam, 1 terabyte card. Hopefully it records the entire drive. Driving to Alaska.
Day 1.
Day 1.
Luke packed no underwear.
Well, this is our campsite where we have to figure out how to set up a tent. I should probably get a picture of that. Woo!
Yeah, we got a bunch of cabins rented in Alaska. They have like public use cabins.
Back on the slopes, just bought these gnarly shades. Finally made it to Lake Louise. We go down, then we go back up. I'm assuming I've been made at this point. Yo! Send it!
Jesus.
Are you even trying?
It's moving. It's just on there tight as.
All this shit's supposed to go in that black bag?
No way.
Ooh, bloody. Some poles. I think the poles go in there too?
It said 2 separate bags. Hey, is this door gonna shut?
Nope.
Grab this from the truck.
Where are you at?
Huh, never mind.
Where's your dinner?
I don't know.
Top to bottom. Car's packed. Last walkthrough.
Sinka, do you have your phone?
Yeah, I'm good.
Wallet.
Your passport.
Fun home for that.
I did see your purse. We're gonna have Jimmy John's out of the way. Sandwiches, food. First food of the trip. I got this box. Okay. And now we're leaving the UP. Up to Banff first, so we will cross into Canada here and through North Dakota. Right now, GPS set to 1 day, 3-hour drive, 1,645 miles to go.
I only expect
Getting our first shift change in. Still in Michigan. Damn, it's just entered Wisconsin. That's a pretty cool bridge.
Yeah, it is a pretty cool bridge.
Welcome to Minnesota.
Minnesota, 1,237 miles to Banff. One of the last bigger cities we'll see. $41 and a 30.
maybe 3 dozen this week, actually. Even as he did, the water around. I said your body was annihilated, but that wasn't exactly accurate.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto West 6th Street.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little fishy there. Oh, dude, I'm on a sheet of ice. Careful. I'm on a sheet of ice. Still in Minnesota. There was an ice storm that came through here probably hours ago. So we got a rude awakening. The entire highway is sheeted ice. We've seen multiple cops with hazards and lights on behind semis off on the side of the road. And right now we're doing 20. Right now we're doing 20. North Dakota, 974 miles to Banff.
Crowded streets in search of his destination. Then the wastewater was siphoned off to processing hubs spaced across the.
Is that it? We breaking?
Yeah, quick nap. Blankets? You want to sleep up here, sweetie?
Drove 12 hours, Larimore rest stop, still in the middle of this affected highway, ice storm-ish area. 1 blanket for 3 people, and a driver's seat, a passenger seat, and behind the driver's seat?
Yeah.
No, I'm all right. I'll be okay.
All right, well, I'm going to turn the car off.
Yeah, okay. Border crossing.
So we're going to Banff National Park.
Everything in the back here? 4 days, that seems like a lot of stuff.
Camping gear.
Camping gear, mainly just clothes, camping gear. Yeah, generator.
Here's your passports.
Thank you.
That's your declaration card. I'm just gonna get you to pull forward 25 feet down. You're gonna see on your left there's a parking spot. Park in, come in with your passports. And
Okay.
tell you off. Alright?
As long as we don't pull the shit out of the car so they can look at it and then we have to put it all back, I'm okay. It's probably squirrely because
The one at
the way the questions ended up, and you ended up saying going to Alaska, I had to take shit back.
well, we're American. We can go back into America.
I agree with that, but also the fact that there's just stacks of shit back here. So like, got searched at the border. Guy said 30 seconds. Opened car doors, looked inside. Obviously, when you got a car loaded with boxes and gear and whatnot, you can assume it looked like we might be doing something. Fair enough. Fair enough. Anyway, we're in Canada. 1,083 clicks to Banff.
Do we just get a cheap hotel tonight somewhere close?
Yeah, maybe.
Like Calgary or something?
The second one caused a ring of runes to start floating around them like a slow motion hula.
That'd be the first speeding ticket in kilometers. Going too fast in kilometers. Just crossed into Alberta.
Let's see if that helps. Get all your finger grease off there. Yeah, look at that. You just need to clean them.
Oh yeah?
Quick finger.
Oh yeah, that's sharp. Okay. We're at a Canadian mall.
In 100 meters, turn right toward Dunmore Road southeast.
And we're gonna go sit down. Moxie's sit-down restaurant. Get away from all the travel food for a bit.
For that, I shall give you no sound.
Leaving Medicine Hat, driving to a hotel. A hotel for tonight. Campsite starts tomorrow. 4 nights. Bam.
Pretty sure those are 3 planes, man. I don't see that's up there. I don't see it powered. And they're flashing. I'm telling you, those are planes. Look at it. That is a motherfucking plane.
Hotel in Calgary. Wake up tomorrow, do some shopping. I think we need to get food. We might need to get some outdoor stuff. Didn't realize that you gotta swipe your card to use the elevator. This is nice. Couldn't tell you last time I was in a hotel room. It's about 11 o'clock at night, PM, on whatever time zone we're in. Pick back up tomorrow. 9 a.m. in a hotel in Calgary. Today, few things to check off before we drive to our campsite and set up our tent for 4 nights. 1, breakfast. 2, groceries. 3, Best Buy. I need SD card. Turns out I bought a cheap 1 terabyte SD card for the dash cam, and its files are on it, but I can't access them. So I have to do a recovery on that card to get those files. Then we drive to Banff, set up a tent.
Banff's mostly sunny and high of 31.
Forecast for Banff, 4 or 5 days.
Tomorrow, high of 31, low 19, partly cloudy. It's pretty much the same. Monday, there's a chance of snow.
Table, food, bought a pair of swim trunks. They gotta pick up snow boots. I'm gonna look for a camping chair and maybe a knife. 2 boxes of snow boots. I got myself a camping chair and some face masks. Completed all our tasks for the day. Finally heading up into Banff Mountains campsite.